Good evening all. Audio video clear, please mention. So welcome all of you to this very special lecture for the upcoming CSIR-NET exam. Good evening all. So please invite all your friends who are preparing for CSIR-NET. Last few days we were discussing flashcard revision. All the topics we have summarized into a single set of flashcard of 100 flashcards, and that we were revising in the last classes. And those sessions were useful for CSIR-NET and other exams also. But today onwards we are starting a series where CSIR-NET previous year questions are discussed in detail. When I discuss flashcards, many students suggested if previous year questions more can be discussed, that will be good. That is why we are coming up with a rapid fire lecture series. If more people attend today's session, we will continue the series for more days. Invite करिए your friends, all of you invite your friends so that more people attend this session. 1 minute wait करेगा, उसके बाद session शुरू करेगा. Rapid fire lecture मतलब 15 questions in a time period of about maximum 1 hour. We will be completing 15 questions. हर क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 1.5 minutes टाइम देगा ट्राई करने के लिए, उसके बाद उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देगा. So that is how the lecture will proceed. तो ये सेशन सारा CSIR-NET एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए यूजफुल है, बाकी एग्जाम एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए भी यूजफुल है एज अ प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल. But CSIR-NET PYQs we are discussing because next week we have the CSIR-NET exam. That is why we are starting the series where the PYQs of CSIR-NET are covered. So those of you who haven't attended the previous sessions of the flashcard series and all, check the description of the video to find the link of all those, or check the playlist in this channel to find the link of all those. For the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakhs CSIR-NET and other exam aspirants in the last 10 years. So more about me you can see here, and these are the books I have written. And for CSIR-NET aspirants, the book I have written, CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, is the current bestseller book for CSIR-NET General Aptitude preparation. And there are many playlists for CSIR-NET GATE and other exams in our channel. CSIR-NET full solutions of latest 5-year question papers, CSIR-NET General Aptitude in 30 minutes, CSIR-NET General Aptitude New Outlook series, GATE complete course, CSIR-NET previous year questions, more than 369 videos. All these are available in this channel, and speed maths and Vedic maths also you can learn. All these are completely free of cost initiatives, so support these initiatives if you feel these are useful. But definitely there are paid initiatives which are actually more systematic and more syllabus covering and more doubt clearing. Complete course it is called, complete course for CSIR-NET, complete course for GATE exam. You can see in our mobile app Christy's classes. 3 month, 6 month and 1 year validity available है complete course के लिए CSIR-NET का. 749, 999 and 1499 is the prices. और ये course सिर्फ recorded videos नहीं, उसमें free online study materials भी है. 100 flashcards, 50 topic wise study materials, 50 topic wise practice worksheets and test series. फ्री डेमो वीडियोस अवेलेबल है मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस पे. मोर डिटेल के लिए ये नंबर कांटेक्ट भी कर सकता है. कंप्लीट थियरी, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन, शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स, एग्जाम हैक्स, प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट्स, मॉक टेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इन अ सिंगल कोर्स. दैट इज व्हाई द टाइटल इज कंप्लीट कोर्स. So some people ask, is this there, is that there? Everything needed for your CSIR-NET Part A section is covered. 30 marks का Part A section के लिए सारा content, सारा material, सारा practice content is available in this course. So ये CSIR-NET का complete course है. Similarly GATE का complete course announce हुआ है. 60 live lectures and online study material. ये live course है, जुलाई 1 से शुरू कर रहा है. This will be the only live course before your upcoming GATE exam. So if you want to attend live course, you can join this course for GATE General Aptitude. इसमें भी complete theory, previous year question solution, live doubt clearing sessions, shortcut tricks, exam hacks, practice worksheets, mock tests, सारा included है. और ये launch offer है, you can get it at 1999. Live classes, recordings till your GATE exam, it will be available also. और इसमें भी ऑनलाइन स्टडी मटेरियल्स इंक्लूडेड है. गेट वाला CSIR वाला मटेरियल्स, गेट वाला मटेरियल दोनों डिफरेंट है. सो इसमें भी स्टडी मटेरियल्स इंक्लूडेड है. डिटेल्स के लिए ये नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है और डाउनलोड कर सकता है मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस वेयर दिस कोर्स इज कंडक्टेड. And these are the free initiatives, flashcard revision series we have conducted at a course where all the topics, formula, concepts, short tricks were covered in a single set of videos. So that is about the free initiatives and the paid courses we run. So I think more people have joined. Thank you all of you for joining the live session, and those of you watching recording also, do let us know whether this session is useful. Live students, mention it in the live chat itself. Thank you Humera. Yes, I'm good Rupali. क्वेश्चन अप्रोक्सीमेट ईच ईयर आता है. वो ऑलरेडी हम ब्लूप्रिंट का लेक्चर ऑलरेडी दिया है ये चैनल पे सोविक, बट इन अनदर सेशन आई विल इंक्लूड दैट ऑल्सो. आई हैव नोटेड योर फीडबैक. In an upcoming lecture I will include which all topics more questions are asked. I will give you a summary of that. In the upcoming 1 week there will be continuous set of videos or continuous set of live lectures for learning more and more things. Okay, let me tell you today rapid fire lecture लॉजिकल रीजनिंग यूनिट से है. रीजनिंग वाला यूनिट का क्वेश्चन से हम डिस्कस कर रहा है ये लेक्चर पे. रीजनिंग कंप्लीट करने के बाद क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड का भी rapid fire lectures we will come up with. Today we will start with reasoning. Just try this question all of you. 1.5 minutes each question. Try it, and after that I will start explaining. Mention the answer in the chat and in the comment section once you are getting it. Some of you already got an answer. Very good. Start explaining. Or 30 seconds more I will give. All of you try. Get some water and come by that time. Very good. Many of you got the correct answer. Wonderful. So I will explain it very fast. An apple is fully cut vertically through its center 4 times such that each successive cuts are spaced at 45 degree in clockwise direction. How many pieces are made? Okay. So here, look at this. This is what the question is saying. This was asked in November 2020 NET Exam. So if this is the apple, it is cut at the center 4 times so that at 45 degree. So if you are cutting like this is 180 degree, na? If you are cutting this way, that is 180 half 90 90. If you are cutting this way and this way, that will be 45 degree, na? Logically, so an apple, practically if you have cut it, you will experience this easier. Or if you cut a cake also, you can understand this. So, kitna pieces hoga? 8 pieces hoga, na? So 8 is the answer. Should I explain more about it? A very simple logical reasoning problem. So rapid fire lecture hai, ye lecture pe we are trying to cover maximum questions, and more explanation or more theory of each topic you can check out our previous videos or previous playlist. So try this question all of you. 1.5 to 2 minutes to try. All of you try it. One more time, ये session launch किया है totally because many people suggested after the 20 EC PYQ lecture के बाद, many people asked if more such sessions where more questions in a single lectures are covered, it will be good. That is why we thought like we can start a rapid fire lecture from today onwards. And upcoming classes, you will be getting sessions like most expected question, most repeated question series, exam hacks for general aptitude, and common mistakes to avoid in exam hall. ये सारा lectures we are planning in the upcoming days before your June 2024 exam. That is like 7 days or 8 days from now, na? So do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates, so that will be a support for this channel also to grow and reach to more and more people. And do hit the like button if you felt this session is useful. And those of you attended the previous flashcard revision lecture series, like to hear from you was what you felt about that series. Was it useful for you? Those of you haven't attended it, check the playlist in this channel. There was a very unique series. For the first time we are running it in our YouTube channel, where all concepts in very less time we were discussing in that 9 lecture series. So your feedbacks, your opinions will help us to curate better quality contents through this YouTube channel in the future. Okay, some of you got an answer, is it? No, still trying, no? Okay, many of you got an answer. Listen very carefully. ये same question 2023 में भी repeat हुआ था. 23 में एक paper में ये question का same type with different numbers were asked again. That is why very important, listen carefully. In a legislative assembly of 250 members, political parties A, B, C, D, E got 170, 48, 15, 7 seats respectively. While 10 seats were won by independents. Independents का मतलब क्या है? They are not a party, they are individuals. Individuals who were candidates. वो 10 people मिला के एक पार्टी ऐसा नहीं सोच सकता. So please keep that in mind. If parties A, B, C decide not to support each other, yeah, major parties don't support each other, na? Like in Indian politics also, BJP and Congress coming together to form an alliance, that is something that we can never think about, right? Similarly, ये question में लिखा है A, B, C decide not to support each other. मतलब ये 170, 48 ये तीनों वोट्स ऐड नहीं कर सकता. What is the minimum number of political parties required to join hands to form a majority government? Majority का मीनिंग क्या है? आधा से भी ज्यादा, strictly greater than half. आधा नहीं, आधा से भी ज्यादा चाहिए. Yeah, in the recent elections also you have seen that, na? Single majority or majority, you have heard that term many times. So half into 250, 125 से भी ज्यादा होना चाहिए. 125 काफी नहीं है, क्योंकि 125 है तो बाकी सारा पार्टीज और इंडिविजुअल्स इंडिपेंडेंस ज्वाइन हैंड किया तो ये पार्टी को बीट कर सकता है या ये पार्टी से इक्वल हो सकता है द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स. दैट इज व्हाई दैट इज नॉट मेजोरिटी. मेजोरिटी के लिए आधा से भी ज्यादा होना चाहिए. So minimum means definitely A should be part of the alliance because A have the maximum votes. B A part है तो B and C A के साथ नहीं आ सकता. Then only option is D आना 100 plus 15 115 125 से ज़्यादा नहीं है. So 7 also add it. 115 plus 7 122. Is it more than 125? No. So 3 parties have joined hands. Still that is not enough. But now we can think about the independents. What if these independents have joined hands with these 122 people? Minimum पूछा है ना. So best case में वो independents भी join किया तो 132 होगा. That is more than half. Or 3 or 4 of the independents is also enough. But उसमें कितना parties है? 3 parties है ना. So 3 is the answer. Some of you got 2 as the answer. I think that is because you have taken 100 plus 15 plus 10 independents. But 100 plus 15 plus 10 is 125. 125 नहीं, 125 से भी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Exactly physics, ADE and independence together. ADE and independence together will make the majority government. ADE and independence. So 3 is the answer. सबको clear है ये? Very good question. November 2020 का PYQ है ये. So in the last class we have discussed these all theory: number sequence, letter sequence, pattern completion, coding, decoding, cubes and dices, then blood relations, statement related problems, ranking, ordering, seating arrangement, syllogism, etc. So based on these topics also we have added questions in this lecture. So you will see more such questions in the upcoming half an hour. So try this question, all of you. We have to cover 15 questions. Let's go a little faster. Try करिए और आंसर बताइए चैट पे या कमेंट सेक्शन पे. Okay, many of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is correct. So of 3 people, Uma plays all 3: cricket, football, hockey. ये देखिए, Uma play all 3: cricket, football, hockey. So if I am denoting it by a table, Uma cricket, football, hockey तीनों को टिक कर सकता है. इकबाल play cricket but not football. So इकबाल का टेबल कैसा होगा? क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल नहीं. हॉकी के बारे में पता नहीं है whether इकबाल play hockey or not. Whether इकबाल play hockey or not, we don't know about it. Now what is the third sentence? Tarun plays hockey but neither football nor cricket. Only hockey. तो तरुण only hockey मतलब क्रिकेट फुटबॉल प्ले नहीं कर रहा है. मतलब ये तीनों स्टेटमेंट को कंबाइन किया तो ऐसा मिलेगा. Now question is asking what? Question is asking the number of games which is played by at least 2 of the children. कम से कम 2 चिल्ड्रन प्ले करने वाला गेम्स कितना है? कम से कम 2 मीन्स 2 भी चलेगा, 3 भी चलेगा. गेम्स का नंबर पूछा है, चिल्ड्रन का नंबर नहीं. गेम्स का नंबर. सो क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, हॉकी among these three games, which all games are played by at least 2 children? Cricket is played by 2 children. At least 2 means 2 is also fine. Football is played only by Uma, so football cannot be considered. Cricket can be considered. Hockey is played by Uma and Tarun for sure. Iqbal play kar raha hai nahi, hame pata nahi hai, but that is not a problem. Why? Because 2 is also fine for at least 2. So 2 people. So cricket and hockey both are 2 games. So 2 is the number of people. Sorry, 2 is the number of games. Sabko clear hai ye? Please respond. Cricket and hockey, these are the 2 games. Yeah, understanding the meaning of the question correctly is very important. If you understood it wrongly also, you can get confusion. Okay, then try this question. 2019 में पूछा था ये question. Simple question है. 1.5 minutes will be more than enough. Happy to see that more and more people are joining the live session. Let more people join. Invite your friends also. If any of you haven't invited your friends, please share the link with your friends, Telegram channel, Telegram group, WhatsApp group, etc. And one more thing, those of you are appearing for next week CSIR-NET exam. After CSIR-NET exam, we will be conducting paper analysis lecture of all subjects. All subject aptitude paper का paper analysis lectures होगा ये channel पे. Where you can check your answer keys, where you can check the solution of each question, etc. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. In upcoming weeks, many such initiatives will be there. Okay, so I'll start explaining. Simple question. In a group of researchers, biologists are thrice. Thrice means 3 times. As many as chemists. Physicists are twice. Twice as many. Double as biologists. If there are 5 chemists, so this is the non-value. So start from that. Chemist 5 है. वो 5 का thrice होगा biologist. 5 का thrice 15 है ना. So biologists are 15 in number. Biologists are 15 in number. Now read this. Physicists are twice as many as biologists. Biologist 15 है तो उसका double 20 है ना. Sorry, 30 है ना. Now we got all the 3 types of researchers. 15, 5 and 30. 15, 5 and 30. The total 50 people are there. Super easy question, na? Just you need to have the patience to read the question. Then this question is easily solvable. Then ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन 2023 में भी एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन पूछा था. 23 में भी एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन. ये 2019 वाला एनालॉजी प्रॉब्लम है. एनालॉजी प्रॉब्लम गेट एग्जाम में ज्यादा आता है, बट सीएसआईआर में बहुत कम आता है. बट 2023 में एक क्वेश्चन पेपर में एक क्वेश्चन था. मिला के 2 या 3 बार ही एनालॉजी क्वेश्चन पूछा है. बट इफ इट इज आस्क्ड, इफ यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट, इट इज वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व. Try this, all of you. All the major types of reasoning questions I am trying to show you, that you get a clarity. Very good. Many of you got it. के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं चाहिए, so I'll start explaining. Governor is the head of the state. Governor is the head of the state. Same way, we have to form a pair. Ship is not head of the captain. Admiral is the head of the navy, so option B is the answer. हाँ, यहाँ पे चैलेंज क्या है, इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट हु इज एन एडमिरल, ये क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग होगा, बट एलिमिनेशन से डेफिनेटली शिप एंड कैप्टन नहीं हो सकता, कैप्टन एंड शिप हो सकता है. कैप्टन इज द हेड ऑफ द शिप, वी कैन से. Jail is not the head of the prisoner. Student is not the head of the teacher. So that way you can eliminate it even if you don't know much about the word admiral. But admiral is the term used to denote the top person of the navy or head of the navy. सबको clear है? That was a 2019 problem. Then try this question. This is a 2018 problem, I guess. Try this. Very interesting question. These are miscellaneous logical reasoning problems. Other typical types we have discussed in previous classes. Go through that also. If you got an answer, very good. This is the sixth question. So I'll explain. A librarian is arranging a 13-volume encyclopedia on the shelf from left to right in the following order. So first book का number 8 लिखा है, then 11 लिखा है, then 5 लिखा है, ऐसा 12 बुक्स अरेंज किया है. सो 13th वॉल्यूम ये पैटर्न में कहाँ रखना है, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट पैटर्न. ये क्या पैटर्न है, कुछ मैथमेटिकल पैटर्न तो नहीं है, ये अल्फाबेटिकल पैटर्न है. अल्फाबेटिकल मतलब ये नंबर्स को अल्फाबेट्स में लिखिए. राइट द नंबर्स इन अल्फाबेट्स, देन यू विल इजीली अंडरस्टैंड. लाइक दिस 11 8 5 4 9 1 7 6 10 3 12 2. 8 का फर्स्ट लेटर ई है ना, 11 का भी ई है, देन एफ, देन एन, देन ओ, देन एस, देन टी. मतलब अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर ना. हाँ, फर्स्ट लेटर सिमिलर है तो क्या क्या कर सकता है ऑर्डर करने के लिए, सेकंड लेटर को कंपेयर करना है. लेकिन डिक्शनरी, कंपेयर इट विद डिक्शनरी ऑर्डर. इन डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स आर रिटन लाइक दिस ना. ए के बाद ए बी आएगा, ए के बाद ए बी आएगा, तो ई आई के बाद ई एल आएगा, एफ आई के बाद एफ ओ आएगा, एन वन लेटर ओनली, वन वर्ड ओनली, ओ ऑल्सो, एस ई के बाद एस आई, टी ई के बाद टी एच, उसके बाद टी डब्ल्यू एक्सेट्रा. तो 13 विल बी वेयर, 13 विल बी बिटवीन दिस 10 and 3. हाँ, 13 का भी टी एच है, लेकिन थर्ड लेटर कंपेयर कर सकता है टी एच आर और टी एच आई, इसलिए 10 और 13 के बीच में, 10 और 3 के बीच में होगा. You have any lack of clarity? Look at this 13. So between 10 and 3. Very interesting question. Huh? When we read it or when we see it for the first time, we may not imagine this is the pattern. But once you realize it, we will feel like, okay, itna simple question tha. That is a point. You should have the patience to look at the question in an optimistic way that this may be something simple. I am missing something that is very elementary. सारा क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं होगा, कुछ क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली टफर थिंग्स आर देयर इन इट, बट मेनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन डू दीज थिंग्स. लाइक वेरी सिली लॉजिक होगा बट ईजली रिकॉग्नाइजेबल नहीं है. बाय प्रैक्टिस यू कैन रीच दैट स्टेज दैट यू विल बी एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न्स फास्टर. So try the next question. Once again reminding you all, July 1 onwards we are starting the GATE complete course for 2025 GATE exam. It's a live course, so those of you want to learn live from me, live classes bhi hoga, live doubt clearing sessions bhi hoga, or a separate WhatsApp group and Telegram group hoga where you can post your doubts and get clarity on it. So it's a complete course itself. सारा topics cover करेगा और सारा टॉपिक्स का स्टडी मटेरियल भी मिलेगा, फ्लैश कार्ड्स भी मिलेगा, ये सब मिला के एक कोर्स है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जुलाई 1 ऑनवर्ड्स. लाइव क्लासेस भी होगा और उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी होगा. Okay, some of you got an answer. 14 of the students in the class are girls. 8 students in the class wear blue shirts. 2 are neither girls nor wear blue shirts. 5 students who wear blue shirts are girls. How many students are there in the class? Total students ka number chahiye. So here, boys and girls is one variable. That is, gender of the people is one variable. Color of their shirt is another variable. So you can tabulate the data, then it will be easy. Tabulate the data. Blue shirt or boys and girls in one axis, blue shirt wearing and not blue shirt wearing in the second axis. Or total people hai, total students to denote, that can be denoted in the third row and third column. Now question mein kya likha hai? 14 of the students in the class are girls. The total girls total means ye 14 hoga. 14 should be represented in this cell. All of you understood? This visual method, if you understood, many questions can be done this way. 8 students in the class wear blue shirts. Blue shirt ka total 8 hai. So this is 8. 2 are neither girls. Neither girls means they are not girls, so they are boys. Nor wear means they don't wear blue shirts. So boys who not wear blue shirt, that is 2 in number. So this is 2. Go inside the cell so that it is easy to understand. 5 students who wear blue shirts are girls. So blue shirt wearing girls. Blue shirt wearing girls means this is 5 in number. Sara details that is given in the question we have represented in the table. Now the table will solve it for you. That is the beauty of a table. How? सारा रो सारा columns में last cell is sum of previous 2 cells. That is the idea. How? For example, look at this. This is blue shirt wearing boys. This is blue shirt wearing girls. Adding that you will get total blue shirt wearing people. Na? Means this plus this is 8. So this should be 3. That is how you can conclude that this is 3. And if this is 3, this is 5. Na? Because boys who wear blue shirt, who not wear blue shirt, दोनों मिला के total boys मिलेगा. Total boys भी मिला, total girls भी मिला, so total number of people 19 होगा. Just like a Sudoku game I will say. Sudoku game में idea क्या है? Sudoku game में idea ये है, सारा रो सारा कॉलम में एक नंबर एक ही बार आना चाहिए ना. Here rule ऐसा नहीं है. सारा रो सारा कॉलम में last cell is sum of previous 2 cells. By using that rule, you can easily complete it. The good thing about table is you will not get confused in exam hall. Even in panic, you can easily do it. Without table also you can do, but panic situation में table use करना better होगा. Panic नहीं है तो directly question किया तो भी चलेगा. तो ये question 2017 में भी पूछा था, 2022 में repeat भी किया था. For the new students, I am teaching for aptitude in the last 10 years. So I am analyzing previous year questions of CSIR-NET in the last 10 years. So from that I am able to teach you how the trend of CSIR-NET is. That is why we will plan for a most expected question lecture. Stay tuned. Before your net exam, I will plan a most expected lecture where we will discuss those questions which have high chance to be asked, not same type or sorry, not same question repeated. That concept can be repeated. Those kind of lectures will be there. So do let me know whether you are interested or enthusiastic about those lectures, and do share it with your friends. That is a gentle request to all of you, and hit the like button because that will help YouTube to recommend this video to more people. If you felt this session is useful, do hit the like button and do comment on this video. So try this question, very simple question, just to read the question properly. That is the only challenge. Volume of soil in an open pit of size 2 meter into 2 meter into 10 centimeter. Length दिया है, breadth दिया है, height भी दिया है. Volume पूछा है. Volume length into breadth into height है ना? हाँ, volume of pit है तो. If the question was asking volume of pit, you have to multiply length into breadth into height. Then it is a mensuration question. But this is not a mensuration question because volume of pit nahi, volume of soil पूछा है. Question is not asking volume of pit, question is asking volume of soil. Open pit means empty pit. Empty pit में soil नहीं है. That is why it is called an empty pit. ना, like this. So empty pit है, soil नहीं है. So 0 meter cube is the answer. Look how CSIR is tricking you with options. Because बाकी सारा tempting options are there in the options. Tempting answers. So try the next question. 2017 PYQ. 2023, 2022, 2020 PYQs we have already covered in the last lectures, 20 EC PYQ lecture. So that you can check out, and dedicated playlist also of 2023, 2022, 2020 are available in this YouTube channel. Those if you want to learn more PYQs, go through that. Try it. Very good. Many of you got an answer. Different answers I can see. I'll say how you can reach at the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, 5. 8 is possible, but that is not the correct answer because the question is asking minimum number. 8 se bhi kam hai na 5. So 5 is the answer. And how 5 is possible? Look at the question. Question is asking a cylindrical cake 16 pieces banana hai. You can try this in your next birthday party or in your own birthday. To make it into 16 equal pieces, the easiest way or the fastest way will be cutting it first like this. Look at this. I have made an animation for all of you to understand this better. First cut के बाद 2 pieces मिलेगा ना. Second cut ऐसा करना है. So 2 pieces 4 piece हो जाएगा. 2 piece will become 4 piece. Third cut ऐसा cut कर सकता है. Sorry. Third cut ऐसा cut कर सकता है और fourth cut ऐसा cut कर सकता है. अभी कितना pieces हो गया? This is somewhat similar to that apple question by which we have started this discussion. The first question we discussed. तो ऐसा 4 cuts किया. 4 cuts के बाद कितना pieces हो गया? 8 pieces हो गया ना. Now there is 8 pieces after 4 cuts. Now the 5th cut is very important. Don't continue cutting this direction itself. then we are using only 2 dimensions of the cake. Cake is a 3D object, na? Or cylinder is a 3D object to be specific. तो 3D ऑब्जेक्ट है तो 3 dimensions है, 3 dimensions है तो तीनों dimension use करो ना. So definitely this third dimension you have to use. I will call it as a master cut. Master cut ऐसा करिए, cut it this way. Look at this. Is it clear? So that the fifth cut will make 16 pieces. 8 piece already था, उसको double किया ना. All of you understood? So 16 equal pieces. 5 cut is enough. Shubhangi is saying nice mix of question. Yes, Shubhangi, I have taken time to select the question such a way that you get a complete practice of logical reasoning miscellaneous questions. So, sure Ilma, definitely, and advance happy birthday. So, all of you understood? And look at this question also. 8 was there in the answer option because CSIR know that you can think like cutting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, normally when we are confused, we will just cut it in any random direction. Na? So, but the optimization, the question is an optimization problem to minimize the number of cuts. Yeah, but let me tell you a practical problem. When you cut it in your birthday party, 8 of your friends will be very sad that you may not be having a happy birthday. You will be having a sad birthday maybe. Because they will be very sad that they can beat you. Because these 8 pieces in the bottom, na, that may not have an icing on the top. Yeah, normally we buy icing cake, na. Icing cake mein icing nahi hai, to they will be sad, na. Are you getting the point? But this question didn't say icing hona chahiye, icing nahi hona chahiye. और icing वाला cake है या नहीं वो भी नहीं दिया है. Quality नहीं, quantity के बारे में पूछा है. Quality wise, these 8 pieces may not be supreme because they have less icing on the top, because icing are done mostly on the top, na. That's why. Okay, that is not today's topic. Not discussing more about cake, but you can imagine those kinds of things also. Exactly, Shubhangi. First 2 cut ऊपर से लगा के बाकी के 3 cut नीचे से लगा. हाँ वो भी सही है. Yes. That is all identical itself. What AS mentioned is first 2 cut ऐसा करके, first cut, second cut, उसके बाद बाकी तीनों ये direction में ऐसा किया तो भी same है. But then also 5 cut only ना. The point is use all the 3 dimensions. 2 dimension ही use किया तो गलत आंसर मिलेगा. 3 dimension किसी भी तरीके से use किया तो आंसर same आएगा. That is why don't worry about that. The fashion in which you are cutting, that is not important, but the idea that cake is 3-dimensional and you have to use all the 3 dimension to minimize the number of cuts, that is important. So try this anyway. Next question, very beautiful question. Yes, Rupali. So hope the reasoning questions are all interesting for all of you. Reasoning questions में maths कम आता है but logic ज़्यादा आता है. So these questions definitely will be asked in all CSIR-NET exam. Number may vary, sometimes 3 questions, sometimes 5 questions, but questions will be there from logical reasoning. So please practice it. And one more thing, if you want to practice more varieties logical reasoning problem, want to inform you all, tomorrow 8:30 a.m. Sorry, tomorrow 9 a.m. An information to all of you. Tomorrow 9 a.m. I am taking a session where UPSC CSAT questions of logical reasoning will be covered. The questions we are discussing now, similar to that, the questions that was asked in UPSC exam. UPSC means civil service exam. Yesterday was the civil service exam of 2024. So in that, the aptitude test reasoning part, which is very similar to CSIR-NET exam, uska questions ka discussion chahiye to attend kariye. It will be totally new question because it was only released yesterday. So that question no one has seen before. So if you want new random question, we will be discussing almost 18 question tomorrow. 18 questions हम discuss करेगा. कल 9 AM class है. I will share it in our mobile application, WhatsApp group, Telegram group, etc. So those of you are interested, join it. CSIR-NET का PYQ नहीं है, but CSIR-NET PYQ से बहुत similar है ये. So this can be used as a practice material. So all of you are welcome. And reasoning के बाद quantitative aptitude का भी होगा. Day after tomorrow, Wednesday 8:30 p.m. Wednesday 8:30 p.m. quantitative aptitude का questions discuss करेगा of 2024 CSAT. So all of you are welcome to be part of these two lectures also. It will be useful for your CSIR-NET practice. So make use of that lecture also for your extra practice. Okay, coming back to this question. This question, many of you got a wrong answer. I'll tell you why it is wrong. It is so natural to give that wrong answer. Let me tell you that. Because CSIR have put the trap in the right way. The options also are beautiful options so that we can easily take that wrong option. And the question is also structured such a way that we may not think those possibilities. So option D many of you got, which is totally wrong answer. Option A, I think some of you, no, option D majority of you got. I'll first tell you why option D is wrong. Let me first guess how you got option D. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. I agree that. 10 centimeter travel करना है ना. Frog 100 centimeter travel किया तो 10 centimeter. The frog is hopping. Hopping means jumping. Yeah, if you want to see the frog hopping, this is frog hopping. Hop the frog hops. Let me check. Our team have made an animation where the frog will hop. Let me check whether it is working. No, I think there is some issue in the frog hopping. Okay. Yeah, it will hop. Yeah. Okay, coming back to. So that is frog hopping or frog jumping. Frog jump कर रहा तो definitely 1 meter या 100 centimeter में 10 centimeter में reach नहीं कर रहा है. The frog is not reaching there in one jump. One jump is definitely wrong. One jump में 10 centimeter cross कर रहा है but reach नहीं कर रहा है. The frog is in the air ना. So that is why it is not reaching. So one jump is definitely not enough. Now some of you may be thinking one jump enough nahi hai, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B. It is all taking it away and away from the 10 centimeter point. Now if this is 10 centimeter. That is why many of you answered option D. Why it is wrong now I will explain it. Normally ऐसा jump किया तो frog can never reach 10 centimeter point. But frog is not in a national highway that the frog is asked to jump in this way only. Frog is in the jungle na. Frog can first jump this direction, then this direction, then this direction. It's totally up to the frog. What if the frog is deciding to jump this way? First jump, I will draw a linear line to understand it better. वो 100 centimeter distance travel किया. Second jump में ऐसा travel किया तो direction change करके ऐसा travel किया तो ये distance 10 हो सकता है ना. It is not mandatory that this 10 centimeter itself should be covered. 10 centimeter can be covered in any direction. Those of you are not understanding, I will include geometry to make you understand. Take an isosceles triangle with 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter and 10 centimeter. ऐसा isosceles triangle possible है ना. Geometry chapter में हम discuss किया है. दो sides का sum तीसरा side से ज़्यादा है तो तीनों pair के लिए ये सही है तो वो triangle totally possible है. So this triangle is totally possible. What if the frog is starting from here and the frog jumps this direction? First and reaches here. Now the frog don't jump forward. Think that the frog is changing its angle. Instead of 180-degree jump, it is traveling a bigger than 180-degree jump. Are you getting? And then jump this direction. So that this is 10 centimeter. Is it possible? Are you all understanding? Yeah, totally out of the box question. Na? Thinking out of the box is very important. CSIR का कुछ question ऐसा है which makes you think or which demands you to think out of the box. I totally agree. Exam hall में inside the box think करना भी मुश्किल है. So outside the box think करना और भी मुश्किल है. इसलिए exam hall में नहीं, उसके पहले ही experience होना चाहिए the type of question CSIR is asking. This is very important. All of you understood this? How 2 jump is enough? Minimum पूछा है. 2 is possible, so you don't have to worry about 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, etc. Beautiful question. One of the best question I will say, which was asked in CSIR. So that is why 2 jump is enough. Then try this question, 2016 question. इसका एक improvised version 2023 February में भी पूछा था. Try this, all of you. Okay, so I'll explain. What is the minimum number of moves required to transform figure 1 to figure 2? This you can relate it to your caroms board. In caroms board, if we arrange coins like this, question is asking, you can move the coin. What is defined as a move? Removing a coin and placing it such that it touches 2 other coins in the new position. A coin remove करके दूसरा position में रखना है, so that it will touch 2 coins. Two coins. 1 coin नहीं, 2 coins touch करना है. So ऐसा कितना minimum moves चाहिए so that we can transform this figure to this? Okay, here also it's optimization problem. Look at this. The minimum number of moves means take this coin and place it here. Take this coin and place it here. That will look exactly like figure 2. Na? All of you understood this? 3 कॉइन भी ओके है, बट मिनिमम पूछा है, मिनिमम 2 है. कॉइन 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 में कॉइन 1 एंड 5 मूव करिए. 1 एंड 5, 1 मूव करके यहाँ रखिए, 5 मूव करके यहाँ रखिए. दिस इज द आइडिया. Then the picture will be exactly like this. Yeah, the position will change, but the picture is exactly the same. So 2 is the minimum number. All clear? Super easy if you understood it correctly, na? Then this 2016 problem, very simple question. Try it. Yes, Shubhangi, that idea is also very good. You can do the reverse, na? Like reverse engineering we can do. फिगर 1 to फिगर 2 के जगह फिगर 2 से फिगर 1 ऐसा सोचा तो भी मिल सकता है. गुड आइडिया. Okay, this question, as I told, this is one of the easiest ever question asked in CSIR-NET. But the funny thing is, I still remember in 2016 when this exam came, after the exam I asked students, that time it was not online exam, it was offline exam. Printed question paper was there. So exam के बाद मैं मेरा students को पूछा, how was the question? And they showed me the question paper also. When I go through this question paper, I saw this question. I thought like, itna simple question. And I asked all of you tried this question, and many of them were saying that, yeah, there is a printing error in this question, that they skipped the question. They thought that this is a printing error, that the ABCD is not properly visible. Yeah, that printing error, or what you think as printing error, that is actually the question. इसको complete करना है, that is a question. I am not exaggerating. This is what actually happened that time to many students. Not all students, but to many students. Because that is the pressure that you have in exam hall. Many simple things also we can complicate it, or we may complicate it. So have a clear mind in exam hall. Practice well before exam. That itself will help you to get clarity of thoughts also, and presence of mind also. So anyway, all of you understood ABCD. Next letter E. So E ka top part. E ka top part means which option? Option C. Option C says top part of E. So June 2016 CSIR-NET question. Yeah, this question is what I showed to many students who say that aptitude ka paper tough hai. I will show this question and ask, इतना easy भी question भी पूछा है. Then now you think, do you think that some people think that all questions in aptitude will be tricky? Some questions are tricky, but many of them are super easy. So yeah, that is a very good suggestion, Humera. The confusions come when part A is done at a time when our brain is not fresh at all. Our brain is saturated with all the thoughts, all the analysis, all the job it have done for doing other questions of subject. उसके बाद पार्ट ए ट्राई किया तो कंफ्यूजन होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि इसमें लॉजिक का यूज़ ज़्यादा है. सब्जेक्ट पार्ट में भी लॉजिक चाहिए, बट इसमें लॉजिक का यूज़ थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज मेमोरी से नहीं चलेगा मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. मेमोरी से भी ज़्यादा पार्ट आपका लॉजिकल हेमिस्फीयर ऑफ द ब्रेन इज यूज टू मोर. तो उसके लिए प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड के लिए many people do part A in the last 10 minutes, last 15 minutes. I'm not saying don't do that, but I will say if you do that, there is a risk involved. You can tackle that risk, that is okay, because some people can tackle, but many people the problem is last 5 minutes 10 minutes में ज़्यादा confusion होगा part A questions try करने वक्त. So either do it in the middle or do it in the beginning, or if you are doing it in the end, make sure that you get enough time for part A, so that you are not doing everything in a hurry burry and getting confused. हरी बरी में किया तो confusion होने का chances ज़्यादा है ना. So avoid that as much as possible. Okay, so ये question try करिए. Some of you got the answer already. So यहाँ पे भी एक move define किया है. Move is defined as crossing any number of points in a straight line on a 4x4 grid. 4x4 grid means these are the 4x4 grid. But question में क्या पूछा है? I mean, what is the requirement of the question? Least number of move of coin can cover all 9 points within the marked square. ये square के अंदर वाला points cover करना ही हमारा objective है. बाकी points cover करना या नहीं, या करो या नहीं, that is not our problem. वो mandatory नहीं है. But these 9 points are mandatory to be covered to complete our experiment. तो उसके लिए minimum क्या चाहिए? Some people do this question and get the answer as 5, and many of you got it 5. 5 गलत है क्योंकि मिनिमम पूछा है, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है. मिनिमम 5 नहीं 4 है, बिकॉज लुक एट दिस, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, 1 लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, और फर्स्ट मूव, सेकेंड मूव, थर्ड मूव एंड फोर्थ मूव. ओनली लुक एट द स्क्वायर इनसाइड. वो स्क्वायर का 9 पॉइंट सारा कवर किया है ना, सारा पॉइंट्स कवर हुआ है ना. तो 4 लाइन्स या 4 moves are enough. And believe me, this was asked one more time in CSIR-NET exam. Same question. This was that question. Now can you answer this super fast? 2015 में और 2019 में same question, slight variation was there. This is little more trickier than previous question because here the framework is not given. But still, if you understood previous question, this is now super easy because you now know the framework. Try this and answer it super fast. Ilma, I will repeat with this question. Yeah, same answer 4 itself. Look at this, how? Yeah, I can start from here or I can start from here. That is all up to me. I can start from here and don't stop it. Continue further till I get a point where these 2 points will be on a straight line, and then continue further till I get a point where these 3 points will be in a straight line. Third line and fourth line is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All lines are covered. All points are covered. Or another identical. Starting from which direction, that is not mattering at all. किसी भी direction हो, same answer मिलेगा. 4 lines. 5 क्यों गलत है? Yeah, still some of you are thinking why 5 can't be the answer. The simple reason, 4 5 से भी कम है, या 4 आंसर है इसलिए 5 आंसर नहीं है. Because question क्या पूछ रहा है? मिनिमम पूछ रहा है ना. 4 is less than 5, so 5 is not the answer. I totally understand many of you got 5. That does not make it the correct answer. I think how you got 5 may be something similar to this now. That is a totally correct arrangement, but minimum arrangement नहीं है. Minimize करने का problem है. Minimize करने के लिए minimum number ही चाहिए. Then don't ask why can't it be 3, because that is practically impossible. Practically possible वाला minimum, that is the meaning of minimum. Not the question is asking what is the minimum value in the 4 options. No. Possible वाला minimum value 4 है. All of you understood this? पिछले question में coin का situation, यहाँ पे line का situation, दोनों same है. So then this question is similar to a story in Srinivasa Ramanujan's life. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a very famous Indian mathematician. So in Ramanujan's biopic also this similar story is there actually. Try this super fast. Yeah, anyone counted? Is it the 15th question or 14th question? Or try it, I will count it. And those of you watch me live or recorded, do comment whether you want more such rapid fire lectures in the future. Future means before your exam. Yeah, this is the 15th question. तो मेरा ग्राफ क्वेश्चन, चेकआउट द CSIR-NET General Aptitude in 30 minutes lecture series. There is a playlist I have given. There you can see problems on graph also explained. Or all of you, if you want more full-length courses, check out our complete courses in our mobile application Christy's classes. क्योंकि वो complete courses का benefit ये है, free classes और कंप्लीट पेड कोर्सेज का मेजर डिफरेंस ये है, कंप्लीट कोर्स में हम ज़्यादा टाइम पूरा कंप्लीट सिलेबस कॉम्प्रिहेंसली कवर करने के लिए स्पेंड करेगा और डाउट क्लियरेंस सेशंस, डाउट क्लियरेंस का ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होगा और डिफरेंट वीडियोस, डिफरेंट प्लेलिस्ट चेक करके टाइम ज़्यादा स्पेंड नहीं करना है. कम टाइम में मैक्सिमम कवरेज, maximum syllabus coverage and maximum previous year questions, practice question, detailed theory, printed means PDF study materials, etc. you will be getting in the full length courses. The complete courses, definitely those of you want to join can join. Now at 749 rupees also we are providing complete course with 3-month validity. 1 year का भी, 6 month का भी validity options are there for CSIR-NET exam. गेट एग्जाम के लिए भी जुलाई 1 से हम कंप्लीट कोर्स शुरू कर रहा है फॉर 2025 गेट. आई request all of you to let others know about these initiatives. You are liking our free classes also or paid courses also, do let others know about it. If you cannot join our paid course, that's okay, but if any of your friends ask what is a good material for aptitude, if you feel our content is good, suggest it to more people, because aptitude के बारे में most people don't know which material to follow, which courses to follow. So there is an ignorance that many people have, and some people are not understanding the importance of aptitude. Aptitude sections practice ही नहीं करेगा before exam. That also is a big problem. So let others know about aptitude section and the classes I am running also through the YouTube channel, also through our mobile application also. Okay, so most welcome Humera, Gautam, Vijayini, thank you for the good words. तो ये क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है? अमीबा आर नोन टू डबल इन 3 मिनट्स. हर 3 मिनट में अमीबा का नंबर डबल होगा, हर 3 मिनट्स में. वेसल ए, वेसल बी, ऐसा 2 वेसल्स है. वेसल ए में 1 अमीबा, वेसल बी में 2 अमीबा. तो 3 मिनट में वेसल ए में 2 अमीबा हो जाएगा ना. दैट इज सेम एज वेसल बी में इनिशियली हुआ. इनिशियली कितना अमीबा था? 0 मिनट में कितना अमीबा था? उससे इक्वल है 3 मिनट में ए वेसल में the number of amoebas. Then vessel B gets completely filled in 3 hours. So ये 2 amoeba वाला vessel B completely fill होने के लिए 3 hour चाहिए full. vessel A vessel B identical है ना, तो vessel A 2 amoeba होने के बाद full होने के लिए उतना ही टाइम लगेगा ना. कितना टाइम? 3 hour. लेकिन 2 amoeba होने के लिए 3 minutes चाहिए ना. 3 minutes चाहिए ना. 3 minute और 3 hour मिला के 3 hour 3 minutes. ऑप्शन सी, 3 hour 3 minutes. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द आंसर. सम पीपल गेट 6 hours थिंकिंग दैट ओके ये डबल तो ये भी डबल करना है. नो, ऐसा नहीं, बस फर्स्ट 3 minutes में ही वो डबल हो जाएगा. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द आंसर. In Srinivasa Ramanujan's life, as I told, there was a similar story that Ramanujan asked his teacher a question. In a pond there are 5 lotus, in another similar pond 10 lotus. Every day the lotus number get doubled and the pond is getting completely filled after 20 days. Pond B is, second pond is getting the completely full with lotus in 20 days. So first pond will completely get filled in how many days? That was the question. So again there are more to that story, but we will discuss that later. But I just told that question is very similar to that. Okay, all 15 questions are completed now. All 15 questions are completed. So hope all of you understood all the 15 questions. More than understanding, giving you an opportunity to try and practice, that was the first objective. And concepts also in limited time I tried to explain. I hope it was convincing. So if you want more such videos, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, comment on the video and share it to maximum people. And tomorrow 9 a.m. day after tomorrow 8:30 p.m. there will be 2 lectures where we are discussing the latest civil service exam question paper of aptitude section, which is very useful for CSIR-NET exam. तो आज हम रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया है ना, कल भी हम रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन ये सीरीज पे डिस्कस करेगा, सो दैट यू गेट एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. और परसों क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड का क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेगा 8:30 PM में. So those of you are new to my classes, check out our free initiatives. You can get many free initiatives. Checking the description of the video, you can find all those links. There is a Telegram channel called Christy's Classes, mobile application and WhatsApp group. To join the WhatsApp group, you can contact in our number 8075116641. Text from your WhatsApp to this WhatsApp number. You will get an automatic reply giving you the links of all these resources. Or check the description of the video. You can directly get the links of it. So that's it. And once again reminding, our complete courses are there. Actually, I try to keep a balance between my complete course or paid courses and free classes. Paid courses are for me to, the monetary part is definitely needed. So paid courses, I will keep the quality of the paid course as better as possible so that more people join. But I will not compromise on the YouTube classes. I want the YouTube classes also of higher standard. But I want your support for keeping the higher standard alive, because it is not a monetary initiative at all. This YouTube classes or free initiatives are completely free of cost things, and even the revenue generating is also almost nil itself from the free initiatives. So it is totally to support more students. Definitely I will be happy that more people are following me. That is a satisfaction. Other than that, it is completely your benefit. I am trying to come up with these initiatives. So I want your maximum support for these initiatives by letting others know about it. Let others know and invite them to the upcoming free classes. When you get a notification for the free class, if you think your friend will get benefit by that, try to help out your friend. That is what I'm saying. And that will help these kinds of free initiatives to continue to more in the upcoming months also. Because earlier I was part of higher or bigger edtech platforms, but due to many constraints there for giving free classes or giving content out as per my satisfaction, I had to continue. I had to start my own initiatives rather than other initiatives. So these my own initiatives, I can get maximum enthusiasm or maximum encouragement from you people. So please do support these initiatives. Not only my classes, any other educator also trying to help students, keep supporting it as much as you can. Recommend your friends also about those initiatives. That is a gentle request to all of you. And check out the other playlist if you want to learn more aptitude. This YouTube channel, I'm trying to keep it as a complete reference material for all students to prepare for different exams. Yes, Physics by Physics, we are starting CSAT 2025 course, but the date of starting we haven't decided, but we will be starting it. That is the present plan. But currently YouTube videos are already there. The CSAT complete playlist is there, where you can find almost 66 videos now. 66 videos that you can follow for the time being, and when the paid course is announced, definitely you can join that also. Thank you, Physics. Thank you, Physics. Thank you, Ilma. Thank you, Divya Jyoti, Varsha, and all of you. I think today we can conclude, and the details of the paid course, please go through this and download our mobile application. In our mobile application, we are planning for more free initiatives in the future. Even the flashcards are also given for students as almost nominal price for this exam time. Only for this exam time that offer is there. Okay, new students who are not aware, for those people who want to refer to the flashcards, I'll just give you the details. Check the description of the video, you can find that. Flashcards that I am providing, those for your exam, as it is exam period, we are trying to give it to maximum students, trying to circulate it to maximum students so that more people can revise before the exam. And those of you are using the flashcards after the exam, please let us know whether the flashcards was useful. Coming to this YouTube channel comment section itself, you can mention how those flashcards helped you. I am 100% confident that I have tried my maximum to make those flashcards as a comprehensive material for all of you to learn things very easily. But your comments will be a motivation for me to update those flashcards also in the future, and also others also will get to know about those flashcards. You people comment on those flashcards, whatever you felt about those flashcards. So new students, if you are not aware, till the exam time these flashcards will be available almost at zero cost itself. Zero cost means there's an internet handling charge and taxes involved. Other than that, there won't be any price for the flashcard. For the 20-day validity of the flashcard, for 1 year validity, you can go for the full ebook of the flashcard. That is also available in our mobile application. So the future initiatives will be through our mobile application. Future free classes also, many of them will be through our mobile application. So make sure you have downloaded our mobile application from Google Play Store. And these are the other free resources. You can scan this QR code also to join them, and you can check the description of the video to get direct links also to this free initiatives. So that's it. These are the flashcards for UPSC CSET and these flashcards for CSIR-NET. This is what I have told. In the June month, we are providing it at almost zero price itself for those people who want to see the flashcard and use the flashcard for your upcoming exam. So these are the details of that flashcards. CSIR-NET flashcard, 99 rupees for the 1 year subscription, but for 20 days is almost zero cost. So those of you want to use that also, make use of it, and let it be a beneficial material for you to revise before CSIR-NET exam. All the concepts we have discussed in this channel and all the concepts that you need for CSIR-NET Part A section. So meet you all tomorrow 9 AM with the UPSC CSAT previous year questions. That will also be like a rapid fire lecture, but little more time we will take for each question because it is after exam analysis. That is why more explanation will be given in that lecture. So all of you are welcome to be part of that lecture. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good night. See you all on the next class. Bye-bye.